Hi there, friends and neighbors. Mexican County Railroad here with you at my favorite restaurant, Uncle Gus's. They just got all kind of neat old stuff out here. They've had this caboose sitting out here for a while. It looks like they're painting it and restoring it. Sure does look nice what they've done so far. This is at Uncle Gus's in 10 Mile, Tennessee. This is actually the only railroad tracks in Meigs County. And they'll have it here to display this caboose. Meigs County is the only county in the state with no railroads. That's why I have to go to McMinn County or Ray County or Roane County to get you some train videos. So I just thought this was nice to let you see it there, friends and neighbors. It's an old caboose. Look at the old lantern on there. It's got a railroad crossing sign and everything. It sure is slick. I'll be glad when they get it complete, I'll get them to give me a tour. Old signal light there. So hang in there, friends and neighbors. I'll try to get you some more video here shortly.